Getting 5-star reviews is critical for your success. They build trust, make you stand out, and help you charge higher prices. But if you're just starting out, how do you actually get them? In this video, I'm breaking down the exact strategies to start stacking great reviews from day one. Let's get into it. Reviews aren't just a nice bonus, they directly impact how much money you make. They build trust because new clients feel confident hiring you when they see proof that you actually deliver. They also help you stand out. If a customer is choosing between two companies, the one with better reviews always wins. They also boost your rankings online because more reviews means better visibility on Google, which makes it easier for new clients to find you. A business with 100 or more positive reviews can charge higher prices than a competitor with only a few. That's why getting reviews early and often is key to growing fast. The best time to ask for a review is right after the job is done. While the client is still looking at their clean windows and feeling good about the service, that's the perfect time. A simple, confident ask works the best. Something like, "Hey, I really appreciate you having me out today. If you're happy with the service, a quick 5-star review would mean a lot. Could you help me out with that?" Something like that, something simple. Even better, have the review link out and ready on your phone so they can just do it instantly. But if they do seem hesitant, just thank them and send them a quick follow-up later. People are way more likely to leave a review when there's a small reward involved. The trick here is to make it feel like appreciative, not transactional. You want it to feel like it's a thank you, not a bribe, you know? Some easy incentives that work are like a 10% off their next cleaning, a free exterior touch-up on their next visit, or like an entry to like a monthly giveaway or something. Like leave a review and enter for a free cleaning, something like that type of giveaway. This small investment pays off big when those reviews help you land more and higher paying clients, guys. Not everyone will leave a review right away, so even if they say they will, a quick friendly reminder can make all the difference. Here's a simple follow-up message that you guys can send 24 to 48 hours after the job. You can say something like, "Hey, I just wanted to say thanks again for having me out. If you have a moment, I'd really appreciate if you could leave me a 5-star review. It really helps my business. Here's the link. Thanks so much." Keeping it short, personal, and making it easier with a direct link increases the chances of them actually doing it. Text reviews are great, but photo and video testimonials are even better. They feel more real and they show off your work, making potential clients trust you instantly. Next time a client is excited about the results, ask them, "Hey, would you mind doing a quick 15-second video saying how happy you are with the results? It really helps my business and I'd really appreciate it." If they're shy, you can still take a before and after photo and ask if you can tag them in it. People love seeing their homes look amazing, and this doubles as free marketing. The easier you make it, the more reviews you'll get. Here's a few simple ways to automate the process. You can use a QR code on your business card that links directly to your review page. You can also add a review request link to your invoices and receipts. You can also set up a simple follow-up email thanking them and requesting a review. Most people don't mind leaving a review, guys, they just forget. By making it effortless and easy for them, you'll build a solid reputation super fast. Stacking up 5-star reviews isn't just about making your business look good, guys. It's about building a brand that people trust and want to hire. The more reviews you have, the easier it is to book new clients at a premium price. If you found this helpful, check out the attached PDF below, guys, with the review request templates and everything in here, so you guys can start using them today.